program with exams approaching this early May. From her previous years of education, she realized that her passion lied in sciences and that her dreams surrounded helping other people. The support of family always motivated her to pursue her ambitions. Ever since she was young, she would not be the person she is today without everyone else. And as well as who those aren't able to come to celebrate us today. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the short profile of our lovely debutante tonight. Okay, I will just check them if they are ready to grace the dance floor for the grand entrance of our lovely debutante, Leah Marie and Mark Rayland. Okay. At this point, pakihanda po ang mga cellphones and cameras because we are going to witness and welcome the most beautiful lady in this very beautiful evening. True elegance is not something we should be noticed, and it should be remembered. To be escorted by her favorite brother and loving brother Mark, it is my honor and privilege to introduce all of you, our lovely debutante tonight, Liam and Mark on their grand entrance. Hey, Mark! Here we go. All right, you may now take your seats. Thank you very much. Just stay where you are. Be with your sister, your loving sister. Alright, maraming salamat po. Wala po bang isang malakas na palakpakan dyan na may kasama si Gawa? And of course, hindi pa po natatapos ang gabi na entrance na yan. Magpapatalo po ba ang minamahal ng Mami Lily Datanay for Boost and Daddy Rolando Valdez for Boost on their grand entrance? Kaway-kaway mo dyan, Mami Lily. Wow, ang lakas mga politiko. Sa susunod na eleksyon, huwag niyo pong makalimutan. Iboto natin sa halalan. Okay, just stay where you are. Muli po, let's start this party by wishing the birthday celebrant a best wishes and a happy birthday. When I say best, you are going to say wishes. And when I say happy, you are going to say birthday. Are we all guys clear? Best! Happy! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, best! And happy! Alright, Mark and Leanne, the crowd has spoken. We have all a very beautiful birthday celebration tonight in this very beautiful and elegant place. Alright, you may now take your seat, Mommy and Daddy. And of course, Mark. I'm your host for tonight. I'm Mr. Nins Nuesca Almede, all the way from, napakalayo ko pa po, Toronto. Diyan lang po sa kabilang kanto. Okay, good evening everybody. We are here tonight at the legendary St. Peter and St. Simon Apostle Church located here in downtown to witness and welcome the most awaited part